Thousands of local jobs right at your fingertips at KELOLAND Employment. Search, research area employers, even create job email alerts. Your job search just got easier with KELOLAND Employment at KELOLAND.com.
Coming up, nearly 1,000 cases of COVID-19 are linked to a Sioux Falls meatpacking plant. A look at the latest numbers and what it will take to reopen the plant.
And how pork producers are faring here in South Dakota as pork plants close across the Midwest. Good morning, this is KELOLAND on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
We'll get to our top stories in just a moment, but first let's get a check of our forecast with meteorologist Brian Karstens.
All right, weather indeed this morning. Well, a couple of rain showers in our forecast today. Let's have a look at Futurecast, and you'll see a couple of these spots on radar across the west this morning, and we do think that they'll kind of fill in a little bit better throughout the course of the afternoon into central South Dakota. But around those areas of showers, mild temperatures. I'm forecasting around 72 in Sioux Falls. Aberdeen could get some rain this afternoon, but then again highs nearing 70, and then we'll watch those trends tonight as the rain showers may decrease a little bit. Some cooler air will pour in from the north tomorrow, but still, we're not looking too bad. Highs still around 60 tomorrow in the northeast. A closer look at the weather for the weekend is coming up in just a couple minutes.
Thanks, Brian. Sioux Falls fire crews were kept busy last night. Crews responded to a house fire in the 700 block of South Plucker Place in Sioux Falls. Our news crew was on the scene and got this video.
According to officials on the scene, the fire started outside of the home before destroying a part of the home. Officials say that one person was inside when it started, but made it out. We're waiting to learn more on the fire, and we'll bring you updates as they become available.
Nearly 1,000 cases are now linked to the Smithfield plant in Sioux Falls.
As you can see here, that's more than half of South Dakota's total cases. There are just over 1,800 positive cases in the state. More than 1,600 are in the Sioux Falls area, and 989 cases are now linked to Smithfield. That includes workers and people who they've had close contact with.
Governor Kristi Noem says the USDA is working with the CDC to finalize the Smithfield report. She hopes to make it public soon. Noem says the state is working to get more personal protection supplies that can be used at the meatpacking plant when it reopens.
Sioux Falls is on track for COVID-19 cases to peak in mid-May, and officials are working on an isolation plan for patients who test positive. Sioux Falls Mayor Paul Tenhaken says at this point, 6% of cases are requiring hospitalizations.
He says that is an important number to monitor to ensure healthcare systems don't get overwhelmed. The city plans to have a complete isolation plan in place by Friday.
It's really going to be a very multi-layered approach because we know that there's going to be a variety of different needs for that and solutions to be able to do that effectively.
Franken says hotel rooms can work for some single patients. The city is also working on access to places for entire families or multiple people who might need assistance. Tenhaken says the city is currently isolating a couple dozen homeless people in hotels around Sioux Falls.
Last week's closure of Smithfield Foods is causing some uncertainty for area pork producers. Clint Overski farms near Nunda. He says about 90% of their hogs go to Smithfield. He planned on taking a couple thousand there each week over the next few weeks.
We've been implementing some things to try to get them to slow down in the barn, I guess, which is kind of contrary to what we do. But so we're feeding them higher fiber rations, trying to get the gain slowed down, and that'll buy us maybe some more time, a couple weeks.
He says the closure of Smithfield and other plants being at capacity doesn't leave a lot of options for pork producers.
President Trump is using a three-phased approach to help state and local officials reopen their economies. Governor Kristi Noem has created a medial review committee to examine that plan.
Noem says the residents of South Dakota have been following guidelines, but staying home has impacted the local economy. When funds become available, she hopes to have language in place that will help account for lost revenue.
I still have to run a Department of Corrections. I still have to run a Department of Social Services. I need to keep my Department of Health going. All my agencies are on deck, working every day to serve South Dakota, and funding that in the future is going to be difficult if we don't have some language to where some of those revenue sources would be available to us.
The bill that's currently in Congress would provide funding for hospitals and testing and expand small business aid. Brian?
All right, as we turn to weather here this morning, well, an area of low pressure today passing through, and that is part of a series of shower chances that are going to be off and on with us the next couple of days. As this one slides to the east tonight, it'll deliver a little more rain to Iowa and Minnesota for tomorrow morning. Then another one coming upstream here. Looks like that one may organize a little bit more late tomorrow in the west, and then eventually cascade a band of showers into eastern KETOland to start off the weekend. I don't think it's going to be a washout, though, for the weekend forecast. Just a little cooler on Saturday, and then the numbers responding better by Sunday. 72 today. Sioux Falls, still mild out there. 66 degrees in Mobridge. The forecast for tomorrow, yep, a little cooler. 57 Brookings, 56 in Marshall, with more clouds and sun, and 59 in the Rapid City area. You'll see after that short-term decline, numbers are back on track next week, above normal. 72 by Monday. So certainly looking warmer there. 7-day forecast for Aberdeen is also looking warmer early next week. The next chance of rain will enter the region by Tuesday. Could be windy at that point as well. Here in central South Dakota, 70s likely by Sunday. So I would advertise that as being above normal, and in Rapid City also generally pretty nice trends. After a couple of days in the upper 50s, we'll be back to 70 by Sunday.
All right, thanks, Brian, and thanks for joining us for KELOLAND on the Go. Be sure to join us on air from midday in KELOLAND.
Until then, you can get up to the minute developments right here on KELOLAND.com. Now go have a great day.